what is DocIntegrator? DocIntegrator, again, is our SharePoint integration layer for ServiceNow. It solves that document access, collaboration, and digital signature workflows without leaving the ServiceNow platform. So we often hear that storing documents in ServiceNow is cumbersome, and that is because users have to manually download, edit locally, re-upload, and delete the original file. Customers can't upload large files easily into ServiceNow, as well as the lack of or the need for better collaboration tools. Well, with DocIntegrator, your documents are living in SharePoint, but appear and behave as if they're living in ServiceNow. So before I begin, an important note to point out is that DocIntegrator at the ServiceNow SharePoint connection level can be plugged in and played in anywhere and everywhere, and that includes custom applications. And we are licensed by user and not application, so it makes it very flexible, scalable, and usable anywhere. So what you're looking at now is the ServiceNow SPM application. And in this case, let's just say I am a project manager. Normally, you would see these documents living at the top here as attachments on the record, or you would receive them via email, and we all know that that can get lost in traffic. So with DocIntegrator, you don't have to worry about that. These documents may appear as if they're living in ServiceNow, but they are all living in SharePoint. So where's the magic? The magic resides in this tab right here, and this tab is our DocIntegrator product. Within this very friendly user interface, you see that we currently have 5 documents that are currently residing in SharePoint. And if I wanted to add an additional document, all I'd have to do is click this upload button, choose the file that I want to upload, and then just click upload. And with that, this document is bypassing ServiceNow and going directly to whatever site, library, and folder that this is configured to. So you're not having to search for the documents. And also, since these documents live in SharePoint, you get those amazing features such as real-time co-editing, full version history of the documents. There's no longer a need to download and re-upload documents, which eliminates duplication of documents. You always assured that you're working on the latest version of the document with that secure OneDrive and SharePoint storage. And then you can also even leverage Microsoft Copilot, which I will show you right now. So as I click into this document, you can see that Copilot is already hard at work, creating a summary of the contents of this document without me needing to click a single button. Now, this document is a review of an automated payroll management system. So as that project manager, let's say I needed to know what are the main benefits of actually this automated payroll management software. So if I wanted to find that out and I didn't want to locate it throughout by looking through the entire document, or usually you would have to leave this page and go to ChatGPT or another AI to paste this document. And then if I had another question, I would have to do the same thing. Well, right here in this single interface, I can go ahead and click the Copilot button here and leverage this integration that we provide and get that information very quickly. So as you can see, as Copilot was already hard at work, we know exactly what this document is from a single interface. Now, let's just say I needed to make a quick change to this document. Well, since this is in SharePoint, there's no need to download the document and manually upload again. I can just go ahead and make that change, close this file, and I will reopen this file. And you can see that my changes were automatically saved upon closing the tab.